Hello guys, welcome back again on Jasmine Coin, and let's see what we can expect next and what could be the possibilities. On weekly time frame, I have given you this trade from this time and it has worked very well. So if you have missed, then must join our premium group. Next time you will not miss this. So currently this was triangular type structure is forming on this bearish trend, and bad news is this candle has closed below this red line, which is not a good sign for Jasmine coin, but maybe next week we can go into this. Now on daily time frame, this area is very important. Why? Because if market directly breaks above, then it will again valid for the buy side and maybe again upside breakout can happen. But if we look into the Bitcoin recently hits its all-time high, and it is preparing for some retracements. So if those type of retracements happen in the Bitcoin, then probably we are going down, because altcoin season should have came, but currently it does not happen. So maybe after, when Bitcoin will take retracement, and then maybe altcoin will also pump when again Bitcoin will go up. So retracement up to 90k or 60k in BTC is still possible. There is nothing which is impossible in this highly volatile market. And when market will reach into this daily time frame bearish fair value gap, then you can try to find some bearish pattern in it, like bearish engulfing evening star on 4 hour or 1 hour. If you found bearish pattern, then downside entry can be taken for the long term, because if retracement happen in the Bitcoin, it will go down. So currently if anybody is holding Jasmine for long term, then I will say that if you are not in that much loss, 20% or 30% loss is acceptable. You can close half position and then wait for some good time, and then you can enter again. But currently entering for the long term is totally not recommended, because Bitcoin is highly volatile. It recently hits all time high, and retracement can come. Let's check on 4 hour what is happening. In 4 hour, multiple fair value gaps are there. This area will be very important. Also this is the area for daily time frame, and on daily time frame fair value gap is available, and also on 4 hour it is available. So if you found bearish pattern on these areas, still it can work, but it will be recommended if it retouches up to this. Still same scenario, same behavior. Wait for some bearish engulfing or evening star, and then it will go down. I will let you know when there is long term buying opportunity, and must subscribe for that purposes, so you should not miss any major update and news. Also our premium group is recommended. All our members are well satisfied, so you can also go with it. Risk management and placing stop losses in any kind of market is very necessary, because no one can predict 100%. There are multiple strong moves, and we cannot detect all. So to stay away from losses, to stay in the safe zone, we have to place stop losses. So accepting little bit stop losses is better than giving your whole account.